Hi everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Patsarthi. And the Bank of England raises interest rates in a surprising move, which the markets were not expecting. Clearly, the Bank of England is starting to worry about inflation. The Fed, as you all know, had indicated its course of rate hikes, but starting next year, Bank of England didn't wait for 1 year. And RBI also, as you all know, earlier this month, had not done anything on interest rates, still maintaining that inflation is on a more of a manageable course, but remains to be seen how they will react. But the government bond markets again reacted negatively. The 10-year Gsec yield rose to its highest levels since the COVID started to 6.401%. And in the auction for the 10-year Gsec, the cutoff also came in at the highest level. The bond has seen the 610 6.10% open bearing 2031 Gsec, which was issued at 6.10% in July this year. Now the yield in the auction was at 6.40 odd percent, shows that prices have deteriorated and the yields have gone up sharply, largely on worries of inflation and global central bank starting to raise rates. And the Sensex and Nifty too reacted negatively as central banks are starting to raise rates. The rupee was flat, largely um, uh, supported by RBI's strong reserves, maybe some presence, as well as in corporate bonds. State Bank of India again issued uh, tier one AT1 bonds, additional tier one bonds, perpetual bonds, as we all call it. And this was at lower yields than it was issued last time. A few months ago, it had raised bonds at 7.72% coupon, and a couple of days back, the bonds were issued at 7.55% coupon. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to log into a Quick Invest platform for retail digital platforms for investments in bonds. And with the best, you can select the bonds that you require for your financial objectives or for any purposes. And investing with the most information and transparency, the easiest of investment processes. Thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already.